Hey guys, so today I want to tell you about my portable whiteboard. You guys see the big one back there. It's filled with random stuff. Why do I like using a portable whiteboard when I work with kids in their homes? Well, one, it's a visual aid, right? It's big, it's clear. You could do color coding. They could see it. It's a little larger than their homework sheet, and sometimes that makes a big difference. Sometimes visual processing is a bigger problem than the actual math. So if you have it big and in color, a lot of times it's easier to see. Second, it's interactive, right? It encourages students to actually write, develop that muscle memory with their own hand in a way that um, it's a little more fun than using a pencil. Let's be real. It's more engaging, especially if they get to pick the colors. Um, Third, hands-on approach, right? We touched on this. Kinesthetic learning is a big thing. Muscle memory is real. If your hand gets used to doing something, your hand gets better at that. And guess what you're using on the test? Your hands. It's easy to erase. You can get like this kind of eraser and just erase stuff. I usually travel with these markers here that have their own little eraser, so that's an option as well. And if you forget your eraser, napkins actually work great. Number 5, you're not going to believe this. The number 5 benefit of a portable whiteboard is its portability. Bringing this house to house, I could fit it in the truck. It would take too long to load into everyone's living room. This, real simple, hold it by the handle, done, and it's super portable. Um, you can get one for your kids. Bring it to the beach. Bring it wherever. You know, if they're going with you to a place where they get bored, church, whatever it is, give them this, and they can actually work on their homework all on their own and study all on their own. But I like to bring it when I work with students. So, what are some tools that you like to use to make homework more fun? Let me know in the comments.